Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. How about them Baylor Bears? All right, national championship in basketball. We're having a lot of fun here, enjoying that. Guys, welcome to Web Piano Teacher. We're going to do a cool song today by Carole King. In fact, I've done several cool songs by Carole King in the past and several recently. Today we're doing So Far Away. I also did Where You Lead just recently, so that's on the website too. But let's do what did I just say, Shawn? So Far Away. Let's hear it. Okay, here's the intro. Then the singing, So Far Away. All right, guys, welcome to webpianoteacher.com, our online community where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you to do that right now. Okay, so here we have our introduction. Just one measure, but it repeats 4 times. And so that's going to be kind of fun because it won't be that hard to play, but it'll sound really cool because everyone knows the song. If you are a member of the website, you can download the sheet for this, which is very helpful. Look how neat that looks. I zoomed in on it, but you can, zoom out and see the whole page or just a few measures. Sometimes it's more encouraging to have just 1 or 2 measures that you can view that you're going to work on and have success instead of trying to learn the whole thing at once. And I do recommend here a little and there a little, just a little bit. Just bite off a small chunk, have some success, and then move on to the next part. Okay, so let's get to the lesson. All right, so we are using here my notation style. If you're new to that, I just use letters and chords instead of traditional music notation. Really serves people well who have good ears usually. And I always try to give you exactly what's on the album, so it's not a watered down version or anything. So we're going to start here with left hand. And I will mention this is not a beginner lesson. If you're a complete beginner, this might be pretty hard. You're going to get frustrated and quit. You need beginner lessons. You're in luck because I know where to get those. They're on webpianoteacher.com, the Easy Piano Lesson Series. If you click the WPT University at the top, that'll take you to easy lessons that you need to get going so that you can spend a couple months and then play something like this. So we have low D in the left hand. Here's middle C, so I'm way down here. A, and then E. So 5, 2, 1. Now I know most people can't reach that. Okay, I have a really big, freakishly long thumb, so I can reach that pretty easy. But if you can't, you don't have to reach it. Just move over. The pedal will hold it for you. And then she actually puts a staccato on that E. So it's not, she goes, see how the sound is different? She's very good at mixing that staccato and legato so that when you do have a staccato, it really makes the music stand out. And since there's not a bunch of instruments blaring in the recording, which a lot of music is like that, you can hear that little staccato. So B, D, F sharp in the right hand, and then G, D when we get there. The first chord was I call them stacked chords. We have an A chord over a D. A chord in the right hand, left hand on a D chord. And we get that nice very flourishy, shimmery sound. And then the next one, we can call it a G major 7, G, B, D, F sharp, or you can think of it as a B minor over a G chord. Either way is correct. Here's a little fill she does. A, B, D. I'll use, 1, 2, 4. And the left hand has the last note. Okay, so da, ba, ba. Second time. And then, man, you can just, improvise on this. Later on at the end of the song. And then actually we start here, so far away. Really neat chords. What I like about Carole King is that it's never going to be that hard to play. You should be able to do it if you're in, intermediate stage. Even the soloing stuff she does is not going to be that difficult. but it sounds like it is. It sounds really cool. Her chords are really, the way she uses chord progressions and the types of chords she uses, they're really fun, the way they sound. They're not like anyone else. And it just gives it that Carole King flavor. And this is a great song to start with if you're trying to get into her music and kind of learn these stacked chords type of sound. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. webpianoteacher.com, live time of music. See you there.